Are we about to straighten our hair with the blow dryer? Would I use this tool in the future? Hey y'all, it's Jayla aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today we are coming to review a brand new heat styling tool, one that claims to be a dryer and a straightener all in one, to rival that of the $500 Dyson. It is none other than the Revlon One-Step AirStraight. If you're interested to hear and see my review of this product, go ahead and keep on watching. If you have been on the internet watching your hair videos, you've probably seen that $500 Dyson tool floating around the internet, okay? So apparently, wet to straight hair is back. Now, as somebody who was born in the 90s, grew up in the 2000s, we know that this is not a new concept, but it looks like the girls are revolutionizing how we're going from wet to straight. So instead of buying a $500 hair tool to try out for y'all, I spent a good $80. Now, let me clarify something for you in case you clutching your pearls right now like, oh my God, girl, I know you's not about to straighten your wet natural hair. You know we don't do that. You right. Let me actually explain what this hair tool does. But before we get into how this baby works, let me go ahead and show her off real quick. But this is what the hair dryer looks like, y'all. Wowzers. Get into the red interior. Okay, a little red bottom action. Here you have just a ceramic plate with air vents inside, and on the other side you have ceramic teeth. Very sleek, very cute. Let me explain to you how this thing works. So the first thing that you do when you use this tool is you dry your hair, and there are specific settings on here that are air only. And once your hair is dry, completely dry, that is when you can move to the next settings on here. So if you look at these last two icons, you can basically have heat plus air, or you can do the heat plates only, okay? Without further ado, let's get right into the styling process. Now, I did wash my hair earlier today, and it has been air drying ever since. The only product that I will be adding to my hair is Chi Silk Infusion. Is going to help my hair in terms of like the smoothness, the silkiness, because it is a silk reconstructing complex, and it's also going to serve as my heat protectant. By the way, the only reason that I'm straightening my hair is because my ends atrocious, definitely need to be clipped. By the way, if you do end up liking this tool, you can go ahead and shop it using the link above or in the description box below. Again, this is what my hair is looking like, freshly washed. I turned her on and nothing's happening. Give me just a second to figure that out. We just blew a fuse. Yeah, y'all see that? It only works when it's closed. We love that. Just from that first pass, really make sure that your hair is like detangled when you're doing this, because it's basically like doing the chase method on your hair. Let's try that again. That's low heat, and my hair is kind of already dry by now. Turn it up to medium heat and see what medium heat is giving. Since it's dry, let's go ahead and try out the hot plates. Are we about to straighten our hair with the blow dryer? collect myself. I'll be back. Now, I've done 2 different sections with this hair tool, and I also think that my hair may be a little too dry for this tool. It does tell you to start with damp hair that's like 80% dry at least, but I feel like you get hair straight as you're drying it, and my hair is a little too dry to get it really straight. So I'm gonna just try this real quick. Does that do a thing? This what we looking like so far, y'all. I know you got opinions. Let me know in the comment section below what you thinking. No worries, again, my ends, a rat's nest, but I am going to trim them. That's the whole reason that we're doing this in the first place. So let me just go ahead and keep going. I'm gonna finish off this section and do as much as I can on camera, and then, you know, we can talk about it. I definitely have thoughts and I most definitely will share them with you. But right now, let me go ahead and tackle this other side of my head. So I went ahead and used the OG Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler on this side of my head because I knew I wanted it to be a quicker process. And I also want to show y'all the comparison between the 2 sides, okay? Now let me go ahead and show you my results. Keep in mind that the left side of my hair has been sitting in those twists a little bit longer, so it probably will have a little bit more of a texture on it. But we'll still try to compare as best as we can. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you can get my full review of this tool. But right now, I'm gonna go straighten my hair and trim it because I really do need it. Okay, y'all, we are back with straightened hair, may I add. We went ahead and straightened our hair on TikTok. If you're not already following me on TikTok, make sure you follow me at JaiChanellie so you don't miss stuff like this, okay? Let me go ahead and review this Revlon One-Step AirStraight, okay? So the claim is that this is a 1-step dryer and straightener. Baby, this ain't straightening nobody's head, okay? This will give you a blow dry look at best if you have hair like mine. Yeah, no, it's not doing it for me. I do understand conceptually what they were trying to do with the 2 different settings of like blowing your hair out and then using the hot plates. But for me, the hot plates don't do much of anything. Like even turning them on, you can't really feel the difference in heat. So this retails for $80. $79.99. Go ahead and round that up to 80, baby. You can get this for as low as 30 bucks, okay? And getting, again, the same, if not better results, quicker results, definitely. You can't do very large sections with this tool, y'all. You only have 3 rows of ceramic teeth on here. Whereas you can get through a lot more hair with this tool, and it's just a faster process. It's just less air. Like, look at this surface area versus this surface area. So for me in particular, it just wouldn't work out in order to do the thing that it claims to do, which is straighten, right? It's called the AirStrait. Now, I don't think it's an exact dupe for the Dyson. It looks like the Dyson is really claiming to take your hair from wet to straight. Would I use this tool in the future? Honestly, I would use it in situations like this. Like my hair is already straightened, but maybe it's getting poofy. Maybe I want to touch it up. Yeah, let me know what you think about this tool in the comment section below. And let me know which Revlon tool is your favorite from the One-Step family. I've used the Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler, aka the paddle brush. Go ahead and check out those results right here. I've also used the Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer, aka the round brush. You can check out that video here, and I even have a video comparing the two. Don't know how long we're going to be rocking the straight hair, to be quite honest with you. I wanted to tackle my ends. They still are not as great as they could be. Okay, we definitely could chop off some more, but they feel better. Yeah, I'll give you some updates on the hair on my community page, on YouTube Shorts, and on Instagram and TikTok. So make sure you follow me there at JaiChanellie. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I saved you some coin. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.